Hello everyone, my name is Saroj Bhangare. Today date is the 18 February 2022. Today video topic is the pharmacovigilance terminology. But the first terminology is the vaccine pharmacovigilance. The science and activity relating to the detection, assessment, understanding and communication of the adverse event following. Following immunization and other vaccine of immunization related to the issue and due to the prevention of the untoward effect of the vaccine immunization. The WHO 2012. Second is pharmacovigilance, the science and activity related to the detection, assessment, understanding, prevention of the ADR or any other drug related problem. The WHO this definition established in 2002. Third is the minimum criteria for the ADR. Identify the patient, age, gender, initial, medical history. Second is and identify the reporting source, name, contact and address. Third is a suspected medicinal source. Fourth is at least one adverse event. The fourth terminology is the ADI. Any toward an unintended response to an investigational medicinal product related to the any dose administration. Fifth is the serious adverse event. In this it is a not to confirm the ADR reaction due to the drug that is not sure the adverse event due to the drug that is not have a casual relationship with the drug. So second is SE may result in a death, life threatening disease, hospitalization or prolongation of the existing hospitalization, disability and incapacity, congenital anomaly or birth defect. Six is a SAR, serious adverse reaction. In SR is give the confirmation regarding to the adverse drug reaction due to the drug that is sure that the adverse drug due to the drug. Seven is a SUSAR, suspected unexpected serious adverse reaction and adverse an ADR which is occur during the clinical trial subject which is assessed by the investigator are unexpected serious and is having the reasonable of possibility of the casual relationship to the with the study casual relationship with the study drug. 8 is a service effect. Service it is used to describe the intensity of the specific event, that is a mild, moderate and severe. Ninth is a spontaneous report which are the obtained suddenly and immediately and fast. It is a spontaneous report. The two type of spontaneous report is the first is the unsolicited, no data about the idea which is these occur, and second is the solicited, having the idea related to the idea which is the having being occur. 10 is the literature. Literature is a medium through which is the information is related to the drug, that is the side effect of the drug is published. People may publish their research study of reason their studies researcher marketed drug and is the ADR. 11 is a reportability. Any case that is meet the criteria or special requirement for the expedited submission to the healthy authority or the co-marketing partner. ACPs, healthcare professional, medically qualified person, and that physician, dentist, pharmacist, nurse, all that. Marketing authorization holder, they company that give the permission to manufacture of the drug. 14 is the ICSR, individual case safety report. It is a adverse reaction drug of the individual patient, and it is the source of documents of pharmacovigilance. 15 is a consumer, a person who is not healthcare professional, the example that patient, children, lawyer, and friends. 16 is a suspected drug. 16 is a suspected drug, any drug which may the potentially implicated in the ecology and adverse event. 17 is a non-suspended suspected drug known as the concomitant conjugated medication, in general drug which is where take at the one time of the event but which are not the through the to have to call. Next is a past drug, the drug which are the completed and discontinuous prior to the start of the treatment, which is a suspected drug. Next is a counterfeit medicinal product. They are the product which is dislaboratory and frequently mislabeled. They have sources they have some content label quantity as a standard drug, but the source has been used to the cheap and gives number of effect and bioavailability of the manufacturing is not proper. Next is a drug dispensary. Hospital to particular drug dependency generally occurs the often of the patient has taken the drug for the long time for the high dose. Next is a withdrawal syndrome. Next is a overdose. The drug is taken thrice the prescribed medicine. The drug If drug is taken thrice over the prescribed medicine, then it is a overdose. Next is the medication error, inappropriate use of the medicine. If HCPs give a X drug, then instead of the Y drug for make money, then the medication error. Next is the suicidal attempt. Report where the patient was the drug before the suicide attempt. That is the drug may be influence the action. Next is the drug abuse. Inappropriate the wrong use of the medicine. Next is the drug interaction. The action of the one drug upon the efficacy or toxicity of the one or one of the more drug. That is the drug interaction, drug food interaction, and a drug alcohol interaction. Next is the lack of effect. Failure to pharmacological action after that the taking a medicine. Next is a placebo. Inactive pills, liquid or powder which has no therapeutic activity and not give the any effect. It is a use for the only mental satisfaction. Next is a INDA, investigational new drug application. Next is a NDA, new drug application. Next is a off-label use, a drug prescribed for the condition other than those approved by the FDA. Next is a blind label trial. It is a trial in which both patient or doctor has no idea regarding to the drug that has been given. Next is a open label trial. It is a process in which both patient and doctor has a detailed idea related to the drug has been given. Next is the international birth date. When a particular drug got approval for the marketing or selling, it is the international birth date of that drug. Next is the data log point. The drug design as the cut off the date for the data included in the a signal detection report. This is the date or last date or deadline that the submission of the periodic report by the signal detection. Next is the signal detection. The WHO define as a signal as a reported information on the possible causal association between the adverse event and a drug. The relationship being a human relationship unclear or incompletely documented previously. Once the ICS are submitted, then the periodic safety report has been made from the signal detection. From that, the company decide to or conclude that the ADR due to the drug, and this is the study of the basic statistical data, hence called the causal relationship. This is the terminologies of pharmacovigilance. Thank you.